Are you ready to have your mind blown? I remember how to switch weapons. Aha. Okay, this is awful. Alright, so obviously we only have 4 buttons and a D-pad. Strafe is C plus D-pad. Also run is C plus D-pad, which is awful because you can't run and steer. Fire is B. And switch weapons is A plus start. Because that's awesome in the middle of combat. Hello, kitty. You like Doom, huh? And obviously this is a, very early and reduced version of the map layout, but missing is the deathmatch door to go outside and the pillar. I mean, not only is the switch missing, but the pillar's missing that the switch would be on in the later releases of Doom 1. That's the wrong button. Turn faster! Oh, I think A also makes you turn faster if you hold it. Let's see. Normal turn. Fast turn. Yeah. Now I'm gonna barf. I don't know how, but I definitely remember getting well into episode 2 as a kid with this version. I'm sure we were playing on I'm Too Young to Die, but oh my gosh, how stop it! Freaking tanky zombies. Yeah, you can tell off there. There's some kind of brown blobs. They're lobbing red blobs at us. Got him. Honestly, I'm doing pretty damn good for these shit controls. Hi, kitty. Yes, I see you. Let's go outside. Run. Oh god, the music is so bad. I'm getting farted to death. Cat, I hear you. What? Oh. The slow frame rate gives. Gooey. I don't know if the neither of these secrets is here. Oh, that one is. I'm sure the elevator secret is, and I don't think that was added till 1.6 or whatever. Let's find out. Oh, I heard it. Oh, it is there. Go faster. Go. Ah. Oh, A is also run. Okay, that's good. Go, 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 go. No, it's so hard when you can't, with the awful controls. Don't you dare! Alright, let's try it this way. There we go. Go! Oh, barely. So yeah, that secret's there, but the courtyard secret and the switch and pillar aren't. That's weird. Excuse me, door. Oh, I got real confused. That's some just wonderful music. Would you hit? Anyway, that is the worst version of Doom.